up, guys? Just ordered some new side marker lamps. Ordered these matte black online. Take a peek here, see what these look like. Pretty nice finish. We're going to replace these stock chrome ones the car came with. I'll put a link in the description. I just got them right off of eBay. Here's the distributor part number if you're looking to buy, but I'll put a link in the description if you're looking to get these. Alright, so I'm going to start prying these off. Make sure you use something plastic just so you don't scratch the paint. There's two clips, one on the top, one on the bottom. There we go. Got that one. Kind of play with it. It's just these two. There's one in the bottom, one in the top. Once you get squeeze, it's just hard to try to get both ends unless you got two plastic pliers. There we go. Got it. It is way too cold for this. That's it. All right, on to the other side. That one came out a little easier. There we go. Let's unplug this. Before I put this new one in, I'm just gonna clean this dirt off. It gets built in behind it. Just so it's nice and clean. There you go. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's plug this guy back in. That's pretty good. Much nicer.